guys? Welcome to MagnoTrading.com. Just gonna get everything set up here, guys. Why is my webcam not working? Alright guys, what's going on? Hopefully you guys had a great trading out there. Hopefully you guys have been trading well. Getting everything set up today, guys. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day. Today was a volatile day. Yeah. So hopefully you guys traded well out there. Hopefully you guys have been trading well. Documents. Cool. Alright, today was 2.3K. Today's 5.11, I believe. And 24. Alright guys, so yeah, like I said, hopefully you guys had a great trading day. What a volatile day out there in the markets for large caps. We just saw everything just kind of go up, go down, and then go up. So, alright, I am live going over trading day, 2.3K. Alright, just setting everything up for you guys. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Hopefully you guys have been trading well. I know today was, like I said, a volatile day. Nonetheless, I didn't really trade a whole lot because it was kind of volatile out there. And I like volatility, but I didn't really have a game plan, to be honest, for what happened today. So I just kind of froze a little. I didn't necessarily think the market's going to sell off that far like they did. So I started to just have to be prepared for anything and everything today. And I could have longed, Peloton. I was looking at long, but we'll be ready for tomorrow. We saw a strong bounce today, so that's a good sign. APM, we had GLSI was a big runner today. We can do Peloton. We can do TQQQ. All right, guys. Let's go live on TikTok now. All right, cool. We're live on TikTok now. What's going on, Layla? What's going on, Alan? Who's up? What's going on, Nathan? Garrett? What's going on, guys? Alrighty, guys. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. We're gonna give it about. Let's see if I can go. We still got a little bit to go left on my iPad. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Hopefully you guys have been trading well. I'm just going over today's trading day. Really, there wasn't a whole lot that I traded today. It was literally just TKLF, and that was in the move right here. I had been waiting for this one all day to kind of stop selling off. I saw this perk in here, and then once we halted, to be honest, I probably would have entered right before the halt, and then got out somewhere in the 640s, 50s range. Instead, I was, basically just getting out of the bath. And I started longing it at 619 and then sold off at 645. The goal was to sell into the hold, which I did. 4,000 shares I sold in the hold. The other 1,000 shares I sold for a loss, which cost my average a little bit. which is okay. That's the way it goes. What's going on, Brock Lane? So, that's the way it goes. But, anyways, guys, so, I knew that there was a lot going on with the markets today. And that was my only trade. There's not much more to say than that was my only trade. But SPY, guys, look at the SPY. We just tanked to start the morning, and then we had a crazy recovery. I mean, this thing went 20 points today from top to bottom, right? And, what's your preferred trading platform? I use TradeZero. What's going on, No Thumbs? So, that's the way it goes. I could have longed down in here on the dip. The reality is, probably would have been smart too. Risk off a couple bucks, maybe. But, I'm trying to get back into the rhythm of things. I'm taking things slow, taking it small. 2 green days back to back now. We got to get back to the basics. And, it takes a couple of big trades to really get ourselves back going again. So right now we're kind of in a lull. We're taking this 50K account. Well, we brought it down to 50 grand, then we brought it back up to 350 grand, and now we're back up to back down to about 215 grand. So we got to kind of consolidate and set an uptrend here. But I think that there will be more opportunities tomorrow. Now that we saw this big 20-point move here, I think my main game plan and some large caps will be maybe to take a little. Take a dip, maybe watch the S&P come down to like 434s, 433s, 31s, or 35, somewhere in there. And then try and take a long off of this kind of conviction bottom here. But we'll see. We'll see. Nothing's for sure. I'm going to be reacting as the day goes on. And if there's some small caps moving, great. But right now we're not seeing that. We really needed this reset in stocks, though. We really did. We've been nothing in 2021 but straight up. And, at the end of the day, I don't really, not when things just go straight up, there's not going to be a whole lot of opportunity. You need some sell-offs. You need some strong sell-offs to create opportunities as a day trader, swing trader, and a long-term investor. The more volatile, the better. The more volatile, the quicker you can get paid, both long and short, right? The VIX we had, really, really high today, 38, which is awesome to see. I like when these numbers are high because it creates more volatility in the markets. I'm going to go live on Instagram here. Okay. Oops. Alright, guys. And that's basically it. I'm going to take this off the charger quick just to get ourselves going here. That's basically it today, guys. Not a whole lot. There's going to be another volatile today tomorrow. Expect that. Expect me to size up tomorrow a little bit more off some clear risk-off levels. But, I'm just dollar cost averaging. I do 70% Qs, 30% SPY. I'm still dollar cost averaging in a Bitcoin. Not even kind of scared because that's just dollar cost averaging. And other than that, guys, I've been kind of longing a little bit of Lucid Motors into the dips on my inherited IRA, smaller size. The moral of the story these first couple months is let's start taking smaller size. Let's get ourselves back into the basics. And then when things get hotter, you can size up. But no reason to size up when things are a little bit slower. The volatility isn't there until today, really. And the reality is when the market's going up and down really fast, that's what we like to see as traders. Because, that means the faster people are getting paid, but also means the faster people are losing money. So you have to be very careful on both sides. But the way I trade, especially in the short term, is I like to see things really moving from the downside to the upside quickly. Or the upside to the downside quickly, either way. I like to see a lot of range and a lot of liquidity in stocks. That's the way I love to trade. And that's the more and more money you can make, the faster it can happen as well. So you have to be ready for those moments. Today, I'll be honest, I didn't expect the market to tank all the way down to 420 on the SPY, but, a little bit better prepared for tomorrow now. So, green day, 2 green days in a row, small green days, but hoping to size up in it tomorrow and create some opportunities for ourselves, okay? That's really it today, guys. I appreciate you guys subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click the icon later for making the videos. I'm not a financial advisor, trade your own risk, have a plan, process, strategy, free chat, links below. My course teach you by process, all links below. Brokers that I use, all links below. Click the icon later for making the videos. Check out the free chat room, 100% free. Appreciate you guys for subscribing to NorMacNoTrading.com.